Hello friends, I am Imran and you are watching Technology Tips. Today we have a Hikvision Video Door Phone that we will be unboxing. So stay with me and let's begin. You can see Hikvision Video Door Phone with a 7-inch display. In the box we find two units for inside and outside. Apart from these, it also has a 12-volt adapter. In case the adapter is damaged, you can use any 12-volt adapter. You can connect to both parts with a cable. And you can extend this cable and take it outside the house. We have connected the red and black wire to the adapter. This adapter will provide power to it. These three wires are used for electric lock. Now we will connect it and check. First we will connect the power jack. Now we will connect the communication cable. You can see that both parts are connected by a single cable. Now we will turn it on. And you can see door phone is on now. Now we will press the calling button. You can see it is working.